Right. Worried for your friends. You think she's good, but she's not amazing. She's just good.
No, uh, it's or it's having a big skills or very nice skills on teaching, and she's actually a doctor on a branch in Arabic, I
Yeah.
think.
So why do you think she is special? Like why she is different than other teachers? What is she doing that makes students like her than other teachers?
Mm. Sometimes she speaks with us, um, and she gives a value to students who is special with her, or
Mhm.
can
Like, can you
you
give
can
me
you
example?
understand me?
How does she give them value? Like she tells you why this lesson is important, مثلا? Or she is nice to the students.
No, look, when students get high marks every test, and beware
Mm-hmm.
in the lesson, and she noticed that. I think يعني tries to speak with him, and knows her name, knows more details about him, and sometimes speaking with him about lesson and something like that.
Yeah. So do you think this is what makes her famous?
He doesn't make that with all students, and with some or special students only. But his teaching or her teaching is good, so that makes his famous, make her famous.
Mm-hmm. So you want to say her teaching methods are special.
Yes.
For example, does she teach with stories? Does she say things in a funny way? Does she make mind maps? Maybe.
Um, Look, Arabic is very complicated and have many ways to be taught or be learned.
To be taught. Yeah.
Um, Method, yeah. And everything or every branch in Arabic needs a special method, or something which
Mhm.
is, I can say, specialized, something like that.
Yeah.
So I can give an example. In a story, we are having or we are studying the story of Antar ibn Shaddad.
Yeah.
So story didn't need or doesn't need to read it only, and just uh, احفظ يعني ايه، انا نسيت احفظ يعني ايه.
Memorize.
Memorize it. It just need someone who tells it, and in a good way, and in like a story.
Mhm. So you mean
It's a story,
storytelling
so see it
skills.
like a story.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
like storytelling.
So every branch needs a special method to be learned or to be taught.
To be taught. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So storytelling is a very, very special technique and not everyone has. You have to study it to be very good at it. And if you are good at it, people will love to listen to you. No matter who you are. If you are a doctor, if you're a teacher, if you're a parent, it's a very important skill to learn about life. How to tell a story. So people get interested to listen to you. Right.
Yeah, I
Back to
think
the
that.
math. Yeah, go on, go on.
I think that too.
That's it. So, does she do this with every branch in Arabic? Like she
Not
does,
with every branch.
yeah,
النحو مثلا
grammar.
needs other things. Yeah, grammar.
Yeah, what does she do? Games, for example?
Gives a lot of exams, which
Mhm.
makes um, the the idea started or
Mhm.
gets in our minds.
Yes.
That's
Get stuck in your mind. Yes.
yeah, gets stuck.
All right. Then who do you study Arabic with, Rimas?
What?
Who do you study Arabic with?
Um, my teacher not famous, but his name is Heba.
Mm-hmm. What do you like about her?
Uh, he speak with us carefully.
He?
And she sorry, she.
She speaks to you carefully? Yeah. What? How carefully? Like slowly, مثلا?
No, kindly
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and يعني ايه بشكل كويس.
In a nice way.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And he is very mm,
You mean she?
kind and friendly.
Yeah.
She, yeah Allah, she
Yes.
uh, that's on.
That's it. So you just like her because she's nice?
Yes.
All right. What about her teaching methods? Anything special?
Mm, I don't think, but its teacher is very good.
Like she's okay, but not amazing. She's fine, right?
Yes.
All right, I got it. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, guys. Today, inshallah, I wanted to start with fluency practice, like what we did now, like I talk to you and you respond and so on, and I correct your mistakes. This way, you get used to talking. Like when you struggle with words and you don't know what to say, when you keep doing this fluency practice, you get much, much better. All right. For today's lesson, inshallah, we will focus on something very, very important, and I'm really upset your friends are not here. I'm thinking of rescheduling it because it's very important. So I have nothing else to teach. So yeah, which is the past perfect. Do you guys have any idea about it? Like, what is the past perfect? Have you ever heard about it before?
Yes, we know it.
Okay. Do you know what Rimes?
Yes.
All right. Who can tell me when do we use it? Talk about what?
Something that happens in the past and
Mm.
leaves a big
Again? And in A?
أثر يعني أثر يعني إيه؟
An effect?
That leaves a big or leaves a big effect in the past.
Yeah. Actually, that's the present perfect. But I mean the past perfect. Like what you said is right, but it's about the present perfect. It's talking about something in the past and it's leaving an effect. Like when someone
It's
says,
had
he,
and past participle.
again,
It consists of had and past participle.
you're breaking up. It consists of what?
Had plus past participle.
Yeah, this is the form, but I mean the meaning.
Yeah.
Yes, so you said the form right, but the meaning, yani the usage is for the present perfect. The present perfect, yes, اللي هو have وhas وتصريف تالت past participle. You use it to talk about something in the past, but it still has an effect. يعني مثلا if we say she has broken her leg. She has broken her leg. طيب did this happen now? Let me write it.
No.
She has broken her leg. Okay, is this present or past perfect?
It's present perfect.
That's right, it's present perfect because I use has, not had. Okay,
Yeah.
so she has broken her leg. This sentence means that she broke her leg in the past, right? طيب, what about
Yes.
now? Is her leg still broken?
I think so.
Yes. طيب, what's the difference between this when I say she broke her leg 3 months ago? In the past simple, you must say the time.
Yeah.
The present perfect, لا, مش شرط. You don't have to say the time here. Present perfect. بس the past simple, لا. You need to say the time. If you don't say it, the sentence is wrong. Okay.
Okay, get it.
All right. So she broke her leg. This happened now or in the past?
In the past?
Okay. So do you think she has her leg broken? Still broken? Or she's fine now?
No.
No what?
No, her leg isn't broken.
Yes, now she's fine because the past simple is talking about something that is over, something that is finished, that has no effect on the future. Right? That's the difference between present perfect and past simple. Is this hard, Rimas? If it's hard, I can skip يعني can reschedule past perfect we explain it more to you. Rimas, can you hear?
No.
You get it? طيب, let me give you an example. I have traveled to Japan. Okay, I have traveled in all. I have traveled to Japan. So, is this now?
I think no, it's in the past, but it's still
All right, am I back to
he isn't
Egypt?
still in the past.
What do you think, Rimas? Am I in Egypt now or am I in Japan? I have traveled to Japan. This means I'm in Egypt or in Japan.
I think Japan.
Yes, because it still has an effect. Type. If I said I traveled, this shouldn't have been capital. طيب, to Japan. Japan برضه المفروض تبقى capital, بس I'm using one hand, so yeah. I traveled to Japan, so does this mean I'm in Egypt or I'm in Japan?
In Egypt.
No, you are in Egypt.
That's right. I'm in Egypt because this is over. Oh, my sentence is missing something. Can you guys tell me what is it?
The time.
Yes, exactly. I need to say the time. Right. Is this easy for you now? When you
Yes.
are talking, remember this when you are talking. So, if you say, for example, I had a sister, that means you don't have a sister now. So be careful. People might think something bad
Okay.
happened.
Okay.
So be careful when you say this. But if you say, I have a sister, because you still have a sister and it's like a fact, use the present simple. So when
Yeah.
you're talking, you don't have to explain yourself if you're using the right tense. Anyway, let's get back to our lesson. Before I start, I would like to see if you can put the sentence in order. Let me remove this. Okay. Why did I choose this tense actually? You, ما شاء الله, can talk in the most simple tenses, اللي هو present, past, and future. You can use the continuous, present, and past. But now we are moving to the perfect tenses. Before we talked about the present perfect, and now it's time for the past perfect. This tense is one of the highest. If you master it, it means your English is amazing. Trust me, guys, I work as a tester. يعني أنا أصلا شغلتي إني بمتحن الناس. ف if I hear a student بيستخدم في جمل past perfect هحطه في ليفل عالي او هديله درجة عالية جدا. مجرد ان هو بيتكلم كده بيستخدم past perfect اقول واو ده student ممتاز. I should put him in a higher level. ف you are يعني you are evaluated on your speech. يعني مش مهم ان انت عارف القاعدة، لو مش بتستخدمها كأننا ما عملناش حاجة. ف you need to use it when you talk. This is what we are doing in the course. ده اللي احنا بنعمله في الكورس، ده اللي بنعمله النهارده. عشان كده انا بقعد مثلا في الاول بقعد اسالكم واقعد اعيد تاني واسالكم في ديتيلز اكتر، عشان عايزاكم تتكلموا، عايزاكم تعرفوا كلمات اكتر and so on. Alright. Rimas, can you read this sentence? The painter.
The printer
Yes, the printer.
أقول صح ولا
No,
أقرأها كده
just
عادي؟
read it. Not work because.
The printer not work because he not turn it on.
Yes. So what should I say in here? Do you have any idea?
I
Can I
think
say?
Let's give her a second. If she can't, I will let you say.
I think the printer
Mhm.
doesn't work because he doesn't turn it on.
Although your sentence is not wrong, but like I said, we need to use the past perfect today. So can you try, Yasin?
Okay. The printer hadn't worked
Mm-hmm.
because he hadn't turned it on.
Yes. All right. So I want to ask you guys, how many verbs or how many actions happened so far?
Two actions.
Mm-hmm. What are they, Rimas?
Um, hadn't
I don't see hadn't here. What are the verbs you see?
work
Mm-hmm. And
work or turn on it on.
bravo. So the past perfect, it talks about one thing, يعني one verb, one action, or two actions.
Two.
Yes, it's always two. You need to talk about two things. Okay. طيب. What time did it happen? Like, did it happen in the present, past, future? This
In the
question for
past.
you both. For what?
In the
Past.
past.
That's right, past. طيب, if the both of them are in the past, how can I know what happened first? يعني ما الاتنين في الباست.
Um, uh,
How can I?
because it's considered as
Mm-hmm.
عايز أقول واصل أو
عايز تقول ايه؟
يعني هي زي واصل أو كده بصي يا مستر احنا أصلا بناخد ده في ال A level. يعني أنا لسه واخد القاعدة من يومين تقريبا.
يوم التلات؟
اه آه،
Very
باخد ده في ال A level ال present perfect وال past perfect والحاجات دي كلها.
good. Yes.
بس الفكرة إن هي بتبقى في الحل بتبقى أسهل من إن أنت تقولها تلقائي.
Yes, no, that's what I'm doing. I know, guys. أنا عارفة. وعشان كده أصلا لما بتاخدوا في المدرسة انتوا حافظين القواعد لكن حد بيتكلم بيها خالص.
لا.
فعشان كده ده اللي احنا بنعمله في الكورس. عشان كده ده بيفرق عن بره، ان انا بخليكم تتكلموا بيها بقى، بديكوا فرصة تحكوا بيها، ولما تغلطوا
مم.
اصلحها لكم لحد ما تثبت عندكم في دماغكم. فلما تيجوا مثلا تقدموا في مكان حلو او تقدموا على امتحان ايلتس او حاجة سفر او منحة، وعلى فكرة انتوا ممكن تعملوا ده من دلوقتي لان انتوا دخلتوا ثانوي، وممكن تبتدوا تقدموا على حاجات اللي هي منح اللي بتاعت سنة اولى جامعة وحابين تدرسوا
مم.
بره والكلام ده، وبتبقى ببلاش، بس محتاجين ان انت تثبت ان انت شخص شاطر قوي، وان انت يعني تحفة ما حصلتش ومجتهد وانت وريماس اعتقد
مم.
كده يعني. طيب لما
Okay.
تيجي تعمل حاجة من دول غالبا هيطلبوا منك حاجة تثبت قدراتك، امتحان قدرات، اللي زي الايلتس والتوفل وايا كان بقى الدولة اللي هتسافر لها. فلما بييجوا يمتحنوك بيفكروا في الحاجات اللي انا بقولها لكم دي. هو لما بيتكلم الجمل بتاعته كلها بسيطة، يعني مثلا I go to school، I sleep، I study English، I مش عارف ايه، كله في زمن البسيط، ماضي بسيط، مضارع بسيط، يبقى هو طالب بسيط. لكن لو بيتكلم سمع في جمل وكده بقى present perfect و past perfect و conditionals، وده اللي بحاول اعمله لكم، ان انا ارفعكم للليفل. انتوا بس محتاجين تمرين مش اكتر، انتوا عارفين القواعد وانا عارفه.
مم.
ف بينبهروا يقولوا لا ده احنا لازم نحطهم في ليفل عالي. انا عايزه اقول لكم انا ببقى قاعده بمتحن وبيبقى معايا ناس يعني بيسمعوا معايا التست، فبنقعد نفكر نقول ده طالب مثلا هو غلط في كذا كذا، بس اقول لهم مثلا هو بيستخدم present perfect او past perfect، ما نقدرش نحطه في ليفل قليل، لا لازم نديله درجه عاليه. بس هو بيتكلم كتير مش بيرد عليا بكلمه، عشان كده بقول لكم بلاش اجابه one word دي fine واوكي، ده بنعتبره ضعف في اللغه مش كسل.
Yeah.
فاهمين قصدي؟ ف
Okay.
that's what we're doing today ان شاء الله، هنركز على باذن الله. alright, so like you said guys, it's two action, both of them are in the past. طيب ايه لازمه الباست بيرفكت؟ ما احنا عندنا الباست سيمبل اصلا، ما هو الباست سيمبل بيقول لي ان ده حاجه في الماضي. طب ايه لازم بقى الباست بيرفكت؟
إن هو بيقول action قبل action.
Yes, exactly. What
يعني
happened first؟ دايما تسأل نفسك السؤال ده، لأن هو حاطط لك الاتنين. طب أحط ده في الباست بيرفكت ولا الأولاني؟ اسأل نفسك مين حصل الأول؟ أنا عارفة إن هما بيعلموكوا في
he
الامتحانات انت
he
اللي
didn't.
because بعديها بيبقى past simple، واللي مش عارف after بعد. احنا نسأل نفسنا بتفكير مين حصل الأول؟ برينتر باظت ولا إنها ما اشتغلتش؟
He hadn't turned
Yes,
the printer on.
exactly. So it hadn't استنى واحدة بس أشيل البتاع ده بس. didn't work hadn't turned. yes هو بس حول، يبقى the printer hadn't worked because he didn't turn it on. دايما بيجي معاه ال past simple. فاكرين ال past simple
اه.
Oh.
من اللي هو didn't عادي. Next. alright, can you try this remix? I not can.
تمام. uh, read or correct.
yeah just read وبعدين think of correction.
Okay, I not can take a photo of the uh, crocodile because it disappeared into the water.
yes think about it وبعدين tell me. first ask yourself what happened first.
uh, الكروكودايل disappear into the water.
yes بس here we will say it the other way. ان هو بيحكي دلوقتي حكاية مثلا، ايه اللي معرفش يعمله الاول؟ he couldn't take picture. yeah
اه. آه.
yes. معلش قولي تاني عشان بس ما سمعتكيش، قولي تاني كده انت تقريبا ولا بس ايه تجاه.
اعتقد هتبقى didn't can
yeah
it had disappear.
yes بالظبط كده. very good. yes انت قلتيها صح، انا بس عكست عشان ترتيب الجملة معاكم، بس عشان كده بقول لكم ايه، don't take it ان هي مثلا because بيجي بعديها past simple، لا مش شرط. انتوا ask yourself زي ما انا مثلا عمل كده، ايه اللي حصل الاول؟ ان الكروكودايل disappeared so I couldn't take a picture. okay. next, just have dinner so she not be hungry. okay ياسين.
Okay. Um,
think about it لان الحاجات دي بتبقى عايزة تفكير شوية، ما تجاوبش بسرعة يعني بس.
she had just لا she, she just had dinner so she won't no
What happened first?
she won't angry she had dinner تبقى had dinner
Yeah.
آه. هو ليه
كمل.
مش just had
لا، ما هي كده. هو بس حط لك الإجابة. ما هي هاد ايه. she had just had.
بس انا قلت just had مش had just had
اه لا، هو just بتيجي بعد الفعل المساعد. good. It's
اوكي
okay. وعشان كده التمارين helps guys. Okay. Because she was not hungry. Okay. Right. Okay, Rimas. They can speak French because they study it at school.
تمام. they had ثواني.
Now think about it. أفكر.
uh, they could speak French because they had study it at school.
برافو. well done. طبعا في كلوز بتساعد، بس زي ما قلت لكم دايما ارجعوا للقاعدة. ايه اللي حصل الأول؟ يعني مثلا عندنا after بيجي بعدها past perfect، before بيجي بعدها past simple، بس احنا القاعدة الأساسية ايه اللي حصل الأول. you ask yourself this. لو مثلا الكلمة صعبة، مش عارفين